In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Platinum Crystal in Once Human. So the best way to get Platinum Crystal, if we open up our map, is to go to the Red Sands area over here. As you can see, this area up here, level 43 required, and you want to go to Blackfell. Now, around the Blackfell area, what you want to do is be first looting a lot of storage boxes, which there's a bunch in this area, and then over here as well. And then you want to activate as many rift anchors as possible. As you can see, I've activated pretty much all the rift anchors around this area, and I've gotten a whole bunch of these platinum crystals. So these are the two best ways and the fastest ways to get this, but beware because some of the enemies there are very strong, so just run around, and if you want to get them quickly, activate all rift anchors. However, if you want to loot storage boxes and different boxes in the area, it will take you a little bit more time, and you will have to defeat enemies along the way. However, if you're trying to just basically activating those rift anchors, you can do this without fighting too many enemies. Just run up to them, activate them, and run away. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get platinum crystals in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.